Hey everybody, welcome to GGS Railways. My name is Greg, this is my YouTube channel. You're not going to believe what we have for you tonight. We have a standard gauge 384E that we will be battling it out against a 384E. Whoa, hey, what? Okay, perhaps I should explain. We have a 384E, the original issue in the 1930s. That we will be pitting against a 384E that was manufactured by Lionel in the 1980s. Clearly there will be handicaps issued. All right, let's get going. All right, so we have the competitors here, nose to nose. Dressed in black, we have the 384E from the 1930s. And then in beige, we have the 384E from the 1980s. Who will it be? Who will be victorious today? Let's find out. Okay, so the first competitor is here on the track and he is ready to go. I hear that he has some extra plumes this morning. He's feeling pretty regular. Let's go. Oh, that's a slow start. You know, being 90 years old. All right, here he comes. Look at that, y'all. Wow! All right, rumor has it that this is the fastest this guy's gone in years. Okay, so I've heard reports that this 384E, the 1930s model, is really feeling it today. And at that age, he's going to feel it tomorrow and the next day and possibly the day after that. All right, the old guy's coming in for his last lap. Wow, that might be a photo finish. Okay, we got the youngster here on the track and he is just raring to go. He's just looking to show up that old locomotive, show him what's what, because he says younger can always do it better. Let's see. Anytime you're ready, let's go. Up, a false start. Yep, experience counts, buddy. Oh, now you're going the wrong direction, bud. The race is the other way. All right, well, at least now he's going the right direction, man. It's not looking good for this guy. He's lost a lot of time. Okay, the judges are being really slow about coming up with a decision here. You could cut the tension here with a knife. Look at these guys. They're just head to head. I can't tell if they're having a pleasant conversation or something really rough. Okay, I hear that the judges have come up with a decision. What? Oh, the winners today? Us. The viewers. The winners are us, the viewers. There were never going to be losers, guys, ever. How can you lose with something like this? Couldn't have said it better myself. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the battle. I hope you guys were rooting for whatever team you want. There was never going to be any loser because that's just not the way we work around here. All right. Well, you know, if you enjoyed the video, I would like you to give it a like, because I personally enjoyed the heck out of doing this. It was fun. I enjoyed it. It was something a little bit different. For all of our returning subscribers, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for putting up with these shenanigans right here. And you still continue to come. Wow, thank you. And for those of you that have not yet subscribed, why not? All right. With no further ado, GGS Railways out.